Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the markets opened in line with SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty was indicating about 80-90 point gap up. But then in the next half an hour, the markets shot up and Nifty spot touched almost 18,162. Then after that, as usual, FIIs will come and book the profit. That's what I told you in the morning. And throughout the day, market was just consolidating. In between, Nifty fell about 100 point, then shot up about 50-60 point. But overall, there was no panic, there was no sudden selling. It was gradually moving down, gradually moving up. It was just the best time decay for the option writers. Today morning, I expected Reliance to not to do well and ICICI Bank to be flat and Kotak Bank some short covering. So that has exactly played out the way. But though morning it was all of them were higher, but end of the day Reliance was down, ICICI was flat and Kotak was higher. And because Kotak Bank has seen some short covering and good results came from ICICI and Kotak, now the people assume that other banks will also come out with good results. So some short covering was seen in other banks like State Bank of India. So that is how the Bank Nifty has done very well. But surprisingly, in the second half of the session, it was the IT stocks that, it was firmly trading in green. So in fact, IT is the best performing sector today and metals and real estate are the worst performing sectors today. So Bank Nifty tried to break 43,000, but it went very close to 43,000. But there was some selling, and the selling was not really very bad, but it was just a consolidation. So I remember seeing Bank Nifty around 43,000 in the beginning of November. So for 2 months after that, it is just almost at the same place. The Europe market opened flat with slightly positive bias. US futures were almost flat with slightly negative bias. I think for the next 2-3 days, due to the absence of any major news flow, the markets are likely to chop around, not going to make any big move. And India VIX at some point of time I have seen it was below 13.5. The VIX keeps going down. That is very surprising as we are nearing to two major events. One is budget, the other one is Fed event. Since today evening I am going out, I am recording this much earlier, so I don't have the FII DI data, as well as markets are waiting for Axis Bank results. So usually Axis Bank results come in the evening. So anyway, these are the minor things now. I don't think that market is going to make any big move tomorrow, at least at the opening. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.